Now, because we are done with the doors, we are going to go to Windows. We go to Windows again and see if you have beautiful types of windows. I think we don't have the one we need here. I do not really need that one. Okay, therefore I will go inside the libraries and choose load the families. This time I'll go to Windows, not doors. I go with right and Windows, then we have various types of windows. The skylights, but for us we want typical windows. Let's see which one is going to work for us. This one, okay, no, okay, this one is perfect. Okay, now I will choose the sizes depending on what I want here. You can see that we have a lot of many types here, but what I need is maybe to place one which is much bigger, a little bit bigger, because I want to place ones in the on the rooms. Let me maybe choose 190 and then 190, and I will choose this one. Okay, that's better. And wait a little bit so that it can load in. Now it is in. Now I can place this one. Okay, I can place it in the center here. That's great, and I will place another one here. That is great. Okay, now we are done for this particular door windows for master bedroom and the room. I will need another window here, another window on this bathroom. There will be another window also, because this one is the store, and I will need another window in the kitchen. Okay, I think this one can be in the kitchen, but for now I will not choose that one. I'll go back to Windows again, load families. I'm going to load, I will go to louvers and choose window louver. I want to place some doors in here. Okay, this one I will place it here, a kind of louver. I don't want to see the inside of the bathroom, therefore it's better to kind of put that particular window. I will also put this one here, and I will need a double of this in the store. Okay, we are now done with that one. And then I will need another type of window here on in the kitchen, an open window. Let's go to Windows again, and let's see if we can have the one we really like inside that. Is this one okay? I think this one is not okay. That one is not okay. 0.6, I think this one is okay. We can choose among these ones, and let's maybe choose this one, and we shall place it somewhere here. And what I want to do with this one is go to this and then go to edit. I will duplicate this one. I will say S Home Design Studio window. Okay, then I will go to that. I'm going to change the height. I do not want such a big height here, so this one will be actually I'm going to reverse this one. This one will be 0.9. 0.9. and this one is going to be 1.8. This is what I want. One is going to be 1.8. Okay, I think this is okay, and I click OK to kind of change this one. Okay, remember to duplicate when you want to make some changes, because if you do not duplicate, then this particular window or this particular family is going to automatically change, and it will change whenever you have placed it also. Okay, let's now go to 3D to see what we have done. Okay, I think this is great. Yeah, I think this is perfect. And switch to shaded and see what we have done. Really, I think these things need to change a little bit. I think I need the longer ones. It's good to edit, and then I will go to duplicate again. I'll go to Home Design Studio, louvers, and this one I'm going to change it to change the sizes here. This one is going to be 1.2, and then this one is going, maybe it's going to remain like that. There is no problem. Okay, all right. Okay, now I'm going to change to take all the others, pick this one, control to select both, or to select multiple, and then I will go to control, select that one. I will change this one into S louvers. Okay, all right, this is okay. Now we have very good looking doors and windows. Yeah, I think this is perfect.